Hello everyone, this is demo of Borelog drawing generation using Excel. So this program is developed using Excel VBA and it's compatible with all versions of Autocad and ZWCAD. To give you better idea of setup and workflow, let me generate one drawing of Borelog with current inputs. Thing I love about this setup is that it requires no installation or setup on user computer. All code is stored on Excel file, so that's only thing you will need. This Excel sheet is made with custom ribbon with 3 buttons, which will automatically load every time you will open this Excel file. Now about inputs, title is self-explanatory, depth is overall depth of Borelog, and paths are required for the size of markings. Origin X and Y are base point of this Borelog, which is this point to be exact. Coordinate inputs display northeast position of Borelog. Remaining 4 inputs represent 4 columns in this drawing. So to simplify this drawing, I have to separate entire drawing in 4 parts: depth, Borelog, property and soil type. So you can adjust size of those columns as per requirement to avoid overlapping like this. Now let me increase soil type width and regenerate this drawing. So this is how you adjust column width as per your requirement. Now these are inputs for soil remarks. You can add as many inputs as you like. Let me change some inputs so we can get better idea about this. We also have to adjust soil description to match with our current Borelog depth. And let's regenerate this drawing. Now let's add one more remark and regenerate. Add one soil description. So here you can see you can choose pattern from this drop down. This data is coming from settings sheet and from this table. If you want to add new pattern, you can add it here, okay, and it will get automatically displayed in that original sheet. Now let me create few copy of this sheet to generate multiple Borelogs. I am also changing title of Borelog and height. One last change, origin points. Now I am only selecting sheet 1 and sheet 3 to generate only selected Borelogs. We can also generate all Borelogs in this Excel file with single click. Looks like there's something wrong with the hatch here. Let me fix it. And it's perfect. So this is it. So now let's try to use this sheet with ZWCAD. So this is it. If you have any question or suggestion regarding this sheet, please let me know. Bye.